People still think AI is futuristic. Meanwhile, teenagers are already using it to build stuff faster than most adults. And somehow, millions of people still believe everything is magically going back to normal. But bro, normal is already dead, and most people haven't noticed yet. The scary part is AI isn't just replacing boring jobs anymore, it's replacing smart people too.
Whoa, way!
A teenager with AI tools can now outperform people with years of experience, and that's honestly insane. And universities are acting like nothing changed, which is actually hilarious at this point. Some traditional university degrees are basically becoming expensive decorations now. See? Just like that! Meanwhile, one kid with the right AI setup is building businesses from his bedroom.
Whoa, sales are exploding. This AI is printing money.
That's when you realize the internet completely changed the rules of money forever. So now humanity is basically splitting into 3 different groups. First, the slaves. These people see AI everywhere and still pretend it's not a big deal. AI is the future. It's just a trend, bro. Just a trend, bro. Ugh. They think the economy is going back to 2015 somehow, which is genuinely adorable. These are the same people who laughed at the internet 20 years ago. Ha ha! This internet thing will never catch on. And right now, they're doing the exact same thing with AI again. You got me, you little rascal! Then you have the users. ChatGPT, people using AI for simple tasks and calling themselves experts. Perfect. I'm an AI expert now. These people think they're experts because AI helped them write one email faster. This is basically the tutorial level of AI, and most people never go beyond it. They save maybe 10 minutes a day and act like they discovered fire. But the real monsters are the architects. These people turn AI into entire money-making machines. They don't use AI for emails, they use it to automate entire businesses while sleeping. One architect with AI can outperform entire teams of normal workers now. That's why companies are quietly firing people everywhere already. And this is only the beginning, which is, to be real, the craziest part.
I agree. Let me get a chair.
Most people still think AI is just a chatbot, which is like calling the internet a calculator. Whoa, look behind you! Because now the smartest people aren't working harder than everyone else. They're building working systems. And the weirdest part is most people still think AI is just some funny thing on their phone. Ha! This thing is already replacing tasks faster than humans can even adapt to them. That's why people ignoring AI right now honestly look like people ignoring the internet in the 90s. The people learning AI early are basically getting a head start on the future before everyone else wakes up. And once companies realize one person with AI can replace entire teams, things are going to get really crazy. The scary thing isn't AI itself anymore, it's how unprepared most people are for what's coming. So you can laugh at AI, ignore it, or learn it now. But one way or another, the future is coming anyway.